Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Subaru Impreza in GTA. First, you'll want to acquire the perfect base vehicle, the car in Sultan. This car is widely recognized for its resemblance to the Impreza. You can easily purchase it from the Southern San Andreas Super Autos website on your in-game phone. Once you have your Sultan, drive it straight to any Los Santos customs shop to begin the modifications. Next, let's focus on performance and body modifications to truly capture that Impreza feel. Upgrade your engine, transmission, and brakes to maximize its rally-inspired capabilities. For the bumpers, select options that give it an aggressive, sporty look, such as the rally or street styles. Don't forget to add a prominent spoiler, like the GT wing or rally spoiler, to complete the iconic silhouette. Now, let's fine-tune the details with wheels and exhaust. For the wheels, browse the sport or off-road categories to find designs that mimic rally wheels. Look for multi-spoke options, typically with 5 or 6 spokes, in a dark or bronze finish. To enhance the aggressive sound and appearance, install a dual-exit exhaust system. These small touches make a big difference in achieving the authentic Impreza look. Finally, let's apply the signature paint and add some finishing touches. For the primary color, a metallic blue or a crisp white will perfectly evoke the classic Impreza rally aesthetic. You might also consider a contrasting secondary color, like race yellow or red, for brake calipers. Finish up with dark window tints and a custom license plate to personalize your new Subaru Impreza replica. Enjoy cruising the streets of Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.